how to deactivate or delete Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account on an iPhone and an Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So depending on the device you have, it may be a little bit different. So first, on an iPhone, to delete or deactivate your account, we need to open up the settings, and we can do that on an iPhone by going to the bottom menu, selecting the menu button, then in the menu, select the gear in the top right to open up the settings. To open up the menu on an Android phone or Samsung phone, all you need to do is open up the Facebook app, select the three lines in the top left of the app, and then scroll down. You'll see Settings and Privacy. Select that, and then select Settings. So now that we're in the settings, all we need to do is select See More in Account Center. And then in Account Center, you may have one of two options. So if under Account Settings, you see Personal Details, go ahead and select Personal Details, and then select Account Ownership and Control. If you don't see Personal Details, what you need to do is select Manage Accounts at the bottom, and then select Manage next to your Facebook account. From there, regardless of the menu that you have, select Deactivation or Deletion, and then you just need to tell them if you want to deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account. So go ahead and select Continue here. They'll tell you what will be deactivated or deleted. So scroll down, select Continue. You'll need to enter your Facebook account password, so go ahead and do that, and then just continue through the steps. And once you finish, your account will either be temporarily deactivated or permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.